JD here. This week we're going to try a recipe that I found on the net for an Indian dish called pepper chicken. Now I have never cooked this before. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to cook it, and then I'm going to react to it as we give it a try and let you know how it actually is. On that note, let's get moving. Mix together 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons each of freshly ground pepper and coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon each of garam masala, turmeric, chili, and fennel powder, 2 teaspoons each of ginger garlic paste and tomato sauce. Mix these thoroughly and then mix with 1 cup, which is 250 grams of raw chicken. In a pressure cooker, in this order, first layer 6 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1/2 cup of chopped onion, and the chicken mix. Cook on high for 5 minutes. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it has been cooked through, which is always positive. It's good. The onions were basically okay, but you can see on the one side they'd be fine, but on the other side they would hit that and then maybe over caramelize a bit. I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm reading it wrong. I wanted to make a little note here. I mean, obviously I don't have the dish with me anymore. As I ate it a little more, I just noticed that it was really salty, more than it probably should have been. And that could have been from a couple of factors, from anything from some of the spice mixes had, or I should say some of the spices may have had more salt in it than what the author used. Could have been any one of a number of things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that teaspoon of salt down by maybe 3/4 or 1/2, just to, maybe we'll still have salt in there, but maybe it won't be quite so much. Okay, that's it for this week. Next week we'll have another recipe. If you like what you saw here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again soon.